اللهم صل وسلم وبارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد رسولنا النبي الأمي المبعوث رحمة للعالمين خاتم الأنبياء والمرسلين نور هذه
All eyes on Karim Benzema in imperious form and the leading marksman in the league. Can he add to his total today on EA TV? Well, it really is a sparkling day for football at one of the great venues in the world game, the Estadio Santiago Bernabeu in Madrid. I'm your match commentator, Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me, the former Arsenal, West Ham and Coventry midfield player, Stuart Robson. And with the Spanish League season about to reach its conclusion, we're just minutes away from kick-off time. It's Real Madrid up against Real Betis.
Well, what a season it's been, Derek. We've seen everything. Drama at both ends of the table, some spectacular goals and plenty of entertainment. The players, of course, will be looking forward to a break now, but hopefully not before they give us a good game today.
And here's the starting 11 for Real Madrid. Thibaut Courtois is in goal. Carvajal starts with Ferland Mendy in the fullback positions. Toni Kroos plays with Casemiro in the centre of the pitch. And the lead striker today is Karim Benzema. Oh, stylish ball. What can they do now? Fekir. An early goal. It is the ideal opening. So the action continues. Will there be a quick response from Real? Keeping the ball moving. And he's in an offside position. So plenty of forward momentum from Real. Brilliant save. Possession one. And Benzema in the middle. Well, it still could be dangerous. And problem solved for now. Well, confirmation as we look at the table of newly crowned champions. I say that, but today is the day when they'll receive that much coveted piece of silverware. And then, Stuart, the party can really start in earnest.
Yes, it will, but they'll still want to put in a good performance today, just to put the icing on the cake. It's been a great season for them, and they fully deserve their title win. They're worthy winners.
Corner awarded. And collected tidily. He had plenty to think about. Excellent use of the ball as they make their way forward. Well, the keeper reacted magnificently. Trying to deliver it accurately. Well, did his job defensively. Kroos. Happy to take on the shot. And that wasn't a million miles away. Almost the equaliser.
Well, it's not a bad effort, is it? But they've got to find a way back into this one.
The ball back with Real now. Benzema. And denied by the keeper. Impressive. And no-nonsense defensive clearance.
Well, what a good piece of goalkeeping that was. But the equaliser can't be long in coming, surely.
Well, let's join Alex Scott for an update. I understand, Alex, a goal at the Mestalla.
Yeah, it's a goal for Celta Vigo. It was a low-driven cross into a crowded area, but he was there from close range to finish that move off. It's now 1-0 with 21 minutes played.
Many thanks, Alex.
Well, Real Madrid have certainly had all the possession over the last 15 minutes, and some of their players been really good. And if they continue to control the ball, as they're doing at the moment, I'm sure they get that equaliser.
Chance to cross. Fekir. Oh, he's left his marker for dead. Oh, it's an unbelievable save by Courtois. Played over. Well, no end product. Teo. Oh, that's really high-class goalkeeping. Well, Real Madrid are going to make the change now. David Alaba. Well, the ball lost here. And threading it forward. Well, taking on that shot and not missing by much.
Well, that would have been an excellent goal, but it means everything is still up for grabs here.
Regained possession. Oh, nice ball over the top. And they know they need to stop him. The delivery. Well, the keeper wasn't fooled by it at all, in actual fact. Well, getting close to the half-time interval, and the story so far, they're not really making home advantage count. Stuart, your take.
Well, it's been a...
Takes aim! And it's in! Beyond the goalkeeper, Real Madrid are level!
Well, here's the replay, and just look how quickly they break forward once they win the ball back. And then what a strike. That's hit with such ferocity. Certainly no stopping that. That's a great goal.
So in business once more, on the back of that very important equaliser. 1-1. He's got the right idea with that pass. Oh, marvellous goalkeeping.
Well, it's a top-class save from a top-class goalkeeper. That's absolutely brilliant. Well, they've been frustrated for quite a while now, but these fans have suddenly come to life.
Off the post and back in play. They've only gone and grabbed another one. 2 goals in quick succession. Now they have the lead. No wonder they're celebrating.
Well, here's the replay, and look how quickly he reacts. That's great awareness from him.
So on with the match. 2-1 is the scoreline. What's going to happen next? Well, just 1 minute of time added on for stoppages here. And that is that. Half-time here. Second half underway, with Real looking to build upon a positive first half showing. Bellerin. And he takes it away. And the referee sees that as a foul. Free kick given. And deep into the penalty area. It comes to absolutely nothing. This could level it. And it is the equaliser. Parity now. And who's to say what's going to happen next? Well, another equaliser. What a topsy-turvy game this has been. Taken away, he won the ball. And he could really get at the opposition. Ronaldo at the ready. Well, when they go in, it looks spectacular. When they don't go in, you know the rest.
Yeah, it's a difficult bit of skill, and on this occasion, he got it all wrong.
And a goal update to bring you. Alex Scott has the information. Something has happened at the Real Arena.
It's a goal for Real Sociedad. The shot was ferocious and it went in off the woodwork. They've pulled ahead by 2 with 53 minutes played.
Many thanks, Alex. And the flag does go up offside. So a personnel change then. An exciting La Liga match in prospect here on EA TV. It's Real Madrid against Real Betis. Now they stopped them in their tracks. Nabil Fekir. And he cuts in from the wing. Well, from that, and the referee doesn't hesitate. That is a spot kick. Well, he's also showing him the yellow card.
Yeah, he had to make the challenge, but it was always going to be risky, and so it proved.
And the keeper denies them from the spot. Over it comes. Oh, beating his opponent with ease. Teo. What a save.
Well, you have to think they're going to take the lead at some point, because they're really looking dangerous at the moment.
He's got the right idea with that pass. Oh, yes! He's going to be proud of that moment. What purity of strike. Caught it absolutely perfectly.
Well, here it is again, and it's all about the pace on the counter-attack. They were so quick to break out from their defensive positions, and when he gets onto it, he decides to go for power. It's a really emphatic finish, which gives the keeper no chance.
Well, the action underway once more, and no shortage of entertainment. 3-2. Alex Moreno. And he read it well defensively. And room now out on the flank. Could cross it in here. Not really the ideal clearance. Not a time for cool heads. Jimenez. And unable to keep possession. And the emphasis is on creativity. Well, he's thwarted him almost effortlessly. Well, he's lost the ball. Cristiano Ronaldo. And he takes it on. Well, that effort was always going wide. He's not going to be best pleased with himself. Victor Ruiz. Alex Moreno. Unsuccessfully cut out. Showing considerable guile. Ronaldo at the ready. But goalkeeper's ball, disappointingly for them. Right, a goal has gone in the Barcelona game. That means we can join Alex Scott.
Yeah, it's a goal for Barcelona. It was a nice 1-2, and then he coolly slotted it around the goalkeeper. It's all even Stevens at 1-1 with 10 minutes left on the clock.
Thanks as always to Alex Scott. Victor Ruiz. Can they fashion something? They need a goal. He has time to play it over. And the decision offside here. Modric. Rodrigo. 5 minutes to go. That's how to blunt the edge of the opposing attack. And the conditions look pretty good for the counter-attack. Takes aim! Oh, magnificent Clears it from the keeper. Fantastic stop. Disappointing pass. Well, adding up all the stoppages, we will have 2 extra minutes. Oh, that's a fine pass. Bellerin. Well, they're attacking, but time is the great enemy. Well, nothing comes of it. It looked promising. And there's the final whistle. In a way, this game had an academic quality about it. Everyone here, including the players, just waiting for the moment when they can celebrate their accomplishments. The trophy will soon be theirs.
Well, it's been a long wait, but it's worth it. Celebrating in front of their own fans. They've been excellent this season. They fully deserve to be the champions.
And that is a vivid picture of what we associate with this group of players. It's all about the team ethic. You can see what it means to this tight-knit team. Real solidarity.
Well, this is special for everybody at the club. What a great moment for any young player. And this is what you dream about when you start playing football. When you're playing in the playground, you want to win a cup. Brilliant moment.
Yes, a special moment in the career of any footballer. And now for the trophy lift itself. The cup winners.
Well, you can just see what it means to those players and the manager. That's fantastic stuff.
There's always the element of chance in a cup competition. But my goodness, they've taken the rough with the smooth. And now they savour the moment. Full marks to the entire team, and now they get the chance to exhale and enjoy.
They've been brilliant in this competition, and so have the fans. They've really got behind their team. They've played a big part in this win. Just look at those faces in the crowd. Great stuff.
And really a match made in heaven between players and fans. And these celebrations are going to continue for quite some time. And now the players get to relax a bit and enjoy having the pictures taken.
Well, these photos will be cherished for years to come, won't they? Certainly ones to show the grandchildren.